Now let's talk about how you can clean the AirPods Max Cushions, or the things around your ears. So let's get into it. How can you clean them? And we of course want to follow the official Apple's guidelines, and on their website the process is really simple, where essentially you have to just clean, or use a clean container where you mix 5 milliliters of liquid laundry detergent and 250 milliliters of water. Then you essentially just remove the cushions from the ear cups, and then you of course just dip a cloth, which is ideally going to be a lint-free cloth, and you just dip it into that soap thing which you just created, and then you're going to be able to just rub it on the cloth of the cushions and just clean it properly like that. Of course, the cushions are removed, so there is no risk of any kind of water getting inside of the actual AirPods. And then you just clean it, rub it out, then perhaps dip it in the water again, and you just continue the cleaning process. And after you're done, you just have to leave the cushions rest for a while. The official period is by Apple for at least a day, right? So you should leave them like this, and then you can snap them back on to your AirPods and keep using them. So it's kind of how it works. It's not really that difficult. It's very easy that you can remove the cushions. And of course, yeah, they are replaceable. So in the meantime, if you need to use your AirPods and if you have like a backup cushions, then you can just place them back in. But yeah, that's how it works. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one. And I'll see you in the future.